Good morning class. This is a second video of chapter 6, addition and subtraction of bigger number. In this video we are going to read about the addition of two-digit number. But here we can regroup tens only. In previous exercises, whatever addition problems we have solved, we were regrouping ones column. We were regrouping the numbers which is in ones column, but here we can regroup the numbers which is in the tens column. So here I am taking one example, add 62 and 55. So in regrouping tens only, there are 4 steps is given here. In first step, write the numbers in column. In very first step, you have to arrange the number in a column. So how many numbers is given there? 62 and 55. These two are two-digit numbers. So here we can make how many columns? 2. Initially we can make 2 columns, tens and ones, and then write the numbers in column. In 62, 6 is in tens place, 2 is in ones place, then 55, 5 is in tens place and 5 is in ones place. This is your first step. Then add ones and write under ones column. So in second step you have to do addition, and from where we can start addition? From the ones column. So add it 2 and 5. Make 2 line here, 1, 2, then 5 line, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is one digit number. We can write 7 in ones place. Now in second step, add tens and write under tens column and carry over in hundreds column. So here you can see you have to add the numbers which is in tens column. It is 6 and 5. So make 6 line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah. So now count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Means how many tens are here? 11 tens. So can we write this 11 tens in the form of 100 also? We are regrouping the numbers in the place value. In 11 tens, how many tens are there? 10 tens. We can write the 11 tens like this, 10 tens plus 1 10, and 10 tens can be written as 100 plus 1 10. So in the place of tens we can write only 1, and 1 is carry over to the 100 column. One more column you have to add here. 1 is carry forward to the 100 column. Now write carried under 100 column. So it is a carried, so you have to write carry in a 100 column. So this is the addition of two-digit number, but here we are regrouping tens value. We are not regrouping ones value, because when we are adding ones number, it is one digit number. So we can write one digit number in a ones place. When we are moving to the tens place, here we can get two digits number, 11 tens, and 11 tens, 1 can be written in the place of tens, and 1 is going to the next column, 100 column, and that will be written in a 100 column. So this is the addition of 62 and 55. Okay, now next example is here, add 21, 74 and 80. Again you have to make column. First step is you have to make column tens and ones. But we know that it is a regrouping of tens only, so one more column should be added here, 100. Okay, now 3 numbers, 21, then 74 and then 80. You have to do addition of these 3 numbers. Put here addition sign. Now start addition. What was your second step? add ones, means whatever number is given in the ones column, you have to add that number. So in ones, here it is 1, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and here it is 0. So count it together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in ones place we can write 5 because it is only one digit. It is 5. Now moving to the tens column, here it is 2, 7 and 8. Firstly make two lines. 1, 2, then 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Again it is two digit number, so it will be in tens place, and 1 is going forward to the 100 place as a carry. Now this 1 can be written in the column of 100. So it is 175, the addition of 21, 74 and 80. Understood? Okay. Now, so in exercise 6b, you have to solve these type of question, means there you have to regroup only tens place. Okay, but in exercise 6c, there again a addition of two digit number, but they are regrouping tens and ones. Here you can regroup the numbers which is in tens value, tens place value, and also in the ones place value. Okay. So now again one example and some steps are given here, and we are going to follow these steps only here. So example is add 45 and 97. So for that, what you have to do, we can arrange the numbers in the form of column. First step is given here, write the numbers in column. Make two column, 10 ones, and this is the problem of regrouping. So you can make one another column, that is 100. Okay, now arrange this number in the form of columns. So it is two digit number and it is also two digit number. So 4 should be in place of tens and 5 should be in the place of ones. Then 9 should be in the place of tens and 7 should be in the place of ones. Now add it, put the addition sign. Now second step is add ones and one digit right over ones column and carry over to tens column. Now start addition from the ones place. 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now count it. 5 is here. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now it is two digit number. It is in ones place and it is in tens place. So 2 should be in the place of ones and 1 should be going to the next column in the tens place. Okay, now again do the addition. Whatever value is given in the tens place, you have to add that number. So here it is 4, 9 and 1 carry, that is coming from ones place. You have to add this number also. Now make 4 line, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is one line. Then 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now count it together. It is 9, then 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Again it is two digit number. So first, which is in the right place, you can write in the tens place, and the next number should be go to the another column. It is in the 100 place. Okay, whenever you are getting two digit numbers, so you have to write the numbers which is in the right place in that column, and other number is going to the next place value. So here it is 1. Now here it is 1 and there is no number, so it should be 142. Understood? Yes, third step is given here. Add tens, write one digit under tens column and carry over to the 100 place. We are adding numbers which is in tens place, 4, 9 and 1. Then we are getting 14, one digit I am writing in the tens place and it is going carry forward to the next column. Last one is write carried under hundreds column. It is carry and it can write in the 100 column. So like this, one more example is given here. It is from your exercise 6C. Okay, add 78, 57 and 34. So like this, you have this question. Numbers is already given in the form of column. You have to do only addition. So it is 3 column, 100, tens and ones. Start addition from which column? From ones column. So start addition. How many numbers? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many numbers? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 4. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. How many digits? 2 is here. 19. So we can write 9 in ones place and 1 is going where? To the next column. So it is going here. 1 should be written here. Okay. Now moving to the tens column. Here 4 digits are here. 1, 7, 5 and 3. You have to do addition. So make one line. Then 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 3, 1, 2, 3. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Again it is 2 digit number. So right place, numbers which is in the right side, it will be written in tens place and next number is going forward to the carry forward to the next column, that is in 100 column. Now no digit is here, so you can write this one in the 100 column place. So it is the addition of 78, 57 and 34. So these are the question you have to solve. This type of question you have to solve in exercise 6B and 6C. Hope you all will solve all questions of this exercise. That's all for today. In next exercise, we will start the addition of 3 digit number. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, class.